Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install and use the Shimeji browser extension. I already have it, as you can tell up here, and I will put the link in the description for downloading it. But let's get into it. First thing you're going to want to do is search up, hang on, let me just... search up Google Chrome Web Store. And then when you get to the store, you can search up Shimeji. And of course I am forgetting how to spell it. Okay, and I messed up. Oh, this is gonna be such a stupid video, but whatever. Alright. There we go. And I already have both of the Shimeji ones, the Shimeji editor and the Shimeji browser extension. But you're going to want to click the browser extension. I already have it, so it says remove, but normally it would say add Chrome if you don't have it. But since I already have it, it says remove, and it would appear up here unless it will be in here, and then you can pin it. But I already have a few Shimejis on this, but once you get it, you're going to want to click this. And sometimes it will open up the home page, but other times you have to click the extension and click the switch character. Then you can click Shimeji directory, and it takes you to the directory. And then there are a whole bunch of different packs. I normally either choose from My Hero Academia or Dream SMP. Right here's My Hero Academia, and right there's the Dream SMP. Sometimes it varies depending on when you get it because there could be more or less. But you can go over to the Dream SMP one if you'd like. And there are a bunch of different Dream SMP characters like Ghostbird, George, Sapnap, Dream, Bad Boy Halo, and Rambo, Technoblade, Bundy. Right now at this moment, I have Rambo, George, and Dream. If you look right here, I can summon Dream, summon George, and summon Rambo. And they all have cool little custom things, like Rambo teleports if you drop him. And George gets hurt when you drop him. And when you drop Dream, he gets in a boat. And you can click do things at random if you just want them to crawl around your browser. And they can also clone themselves, and you can clone up to 3 times. See, look. If I try and clone it again, it says only 3 Shimejis per character. I mean, unless I filled up every single one of these with one single character, then I could have, like, 9, because I have 3 slots at the moment. And you can get more slots by sending your friends the link, and then your friends will download it. And then you get another slot. Let's just tell Dream to do things at random. Probably when I get more slots, the first character that I'm going to get when I get more slots is Bad Boy Halo. And then Fundy, because Rambo needs a friend. And I'm just going to slowly get all of the characters that I like. Oh! George just Ender Pearled. Or was that Dream? That was Dream that Ender Pearled. Okay. Why don't you come down, Dream? Okay, rare. Okay, that's funny. And you can do a bunch of just these different ones. Like you can turn Dream into little Ghost Dream. And there are a bunch of just different things that you can do. Like, oh, an excuse to do an excuse not to do your homework is like if you're on a homework page. Like, let's just say that I was on Schoology, or is it pronounced Schoology? I don't know, but you can just make it bounce up and take whatever you want. But I'm gonna reload my page so that I can get money back. But all of your Smejis will still be there if you open up a new tab. Like, I could just open a new tab and just let's go on to what page should we go on to? Let's just go on to Twitch. And they're there. Also, if you are watching this right when the video came out, then Phil's George Not Found and Fundy are all live right now. Also, if you would like to follow me on Twitch, I'm kind of new to it. Well, very new to it. But Katie2010 the Minecrafter is my username. But it was so funny because last night Rambo was live, and wait, was it Rambo? I forget who it was that was live, but I'm pretty sure it was Rambo. I had my little Rambo Shimeji walking around and stealing all of the chat messages that had Rambo emojis. And I just go onto streams and steal all of the emotes that have a Dream SMP character. And I just think that that's so funny. But back to this. Oh, look, George is sitting on the frog. I have a little frog. Oh, okay. Could you move? YouTube Rambo. But I have this little frog, and I can also zap out the characters. I don't like to, but I will do it for the content. Zoop. And it just eats them. Gone. You can't use them anymore. Well, I mean, you can still use them. I could just clone it again if I drop it down. I can just... Oh, wait. It thinks that there are 3. Okay, but since there are only 2 dreams... Okay, Dream is considered on the wall right now. But now I can just clone it again because the other dream that I just sucked up is considered gone. But if I just move Dream and Rambo, I can just get rid of another dream, make the dream go down, and clone it. And 3 dreams. There is a way to make your own Smejis, but I'm not very good at making them, so good luck doing that. I don't think that I actually have any more slots. Let me check. Let me just activate Bad Boy Halo so that I can check. Nope, only 3. Look at how many Rambos there are! There are so many Rambos! So many Rambos! Also, comment your opinion on the egg. I think it's good and evil at the same time because it corrupted Bad Boy Halo. But, yeah. So, that's going to be the end of this video. And I hope that you found this tutorial useful. And good luck getting it. I'll put the link to get the extension in the description so that you don't have to go search up everything.